Hi guys, it's me Shika. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. So for today's video, I will share that how I transformed my skin from this into this. So approximately 3 to 4 months ago, my skin was not at all skinning at that moment, and I uploaded quite a lot of videos on because I am a content creator and I need to upload videos. Though my skin was very not well that time, still I uploaded videos, I did makeup and stuff. But what was happening in the back end is something I will share in today's video, so that you can also understand what are the little small changes you need to pay attention while targeting your acne and pimples. So for me, why it happened is, like, basically when I do travel a lot and I get to change water, like when the water changes, my skin reacts very badly. कहीं पे भी जाने से पहले ना I do stress a lot that मैं ये भूल जाऊंगी वो भूल जाऊंगी. So ये चक्कर में I get pimples right in the process. मैं यहाँ से वृंदावन जा रही थी तो there was a lot of tension, everything very mixed feelings, क्योंकि stress भी था, I was happy, everything was there. In the back end I am the one जिसे सब कुछ देखना है, so how to manage and stuff के चक्कर में I was stressing a lot actually. And then I got a huge pimple right here. You can't even find out right now. Just not that, here and there was a lot of problems, like nothing in my skin was sticking, कोई makeup नहीं टिक रहा था, every moisturizer would peel off. So these were the major issues my skin was going through. Now what are the major steps which I took is I right away changed every possible skincare and whatever I was using, because being a content creator I need to try a lot of products. But then I tried them, but which was working out for me? Definitely, most of the products were something like I was getting them as a PR and I was trying everything. But जो भी मेरे लिए stick कर रहा था, जो भी मेरे skin को improve कर रहा था, I use that continuously till date, and I will share all of the products in detail. And maybe this is the first video that I'm absolutely bare skin. I have just used little bit of tint on my lips and on my cheeks and moisturizer, that's it, because I just woke up a few hours ago, maybe 1.5 hours ago. So yeah, that is the case. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The major thing is face wash. So what I did is, like, from the research what I understood is, if you are like washing your face, like if you are doing face wash a night before, like before going to sleep, you don't need to wash your face right in the morning again. Like there will be a lot of washing away of your not only oil but the skin barrier as well. So if I was not doing makeup, I was not shooting, if I'm going out I don't do makeup, that's the thing. And if I'm at home and I need to shoot something, if I need to apply makeup, so I definitely wash my face like at night before going to sleep. Now next morning I don't use any face wash, I just normally wash my face, that's it. Now in the afternoon you can say I will use definitely face wash. So once or maximum, if I'm not going anywhere, if I'm not doing anything, I'll just do face wash for one single time. And if I'm doing makeup and stuff, then I'll use face wash twice. And for face wash I was using this brown ka oil control face wash. I have a combination skin type, but this contains green tea. So I made sure that whatever face wash I'm using, it should contain tea tree or green tea. That was the main ingredient which helped me with my acne and pimples. You can go for any face wash which has like green tea. I really like the Abs Goodness one. I really like the Plum ka glycolic acid and green tea face wash. That is also really great. And this brown ka is also really great. मुझे सारे tea tree वाले face washes suit कर जाते हैं. Okay, now moving on to serums. Now serums played the major role. I would say this was the star of the whole skincare routine क्योंकि यही एक चीज़ था which actually helped me because none other product definitely they improved my texture, they improved the hydration level and stuff, but the major problem of the spots, acne का spots या तो pimple का spots and stuff, the विद इन वाला ग्लो देने में सीरम्स ने सबसे ज़्यादा हेल्प किया है. सो फर्स्ट आई वुड से दैट now people would say कि you show vitamin C but then why are you not including vitamin C in your skincare routine for this journey. Now in this whole process of me healing my skin, vitamin C was a ingredient, or you can say vitamin C was a serum which was not suiting my skin. It was burning like anything, and ऊपर से अगर स्किन केयर में विटामिन सी का यूज़ कर लिया एंड देन आई एम यूजिंग मेकअप तो ख़त्म है भाई. Next day I'll wake up with a lot of pimples right now as well. So I don't know what's wrong with vitamin C and my, though if I'm using same company का like for example दे रही हूँ, if I'm using Dot and Key का vitamin C serum and Dot and Key का ही sunscreen, still it was not like combining well, so I just skipped vitamin C. I will sometimes use it in the morning time but not on a regular basis. Yeah, that was the thing. I actually tried a lot of vitamin C क्योंकि you know this is the time where all the brands are launching vitamin C only, so I got to try a lot of them, but yeah, actually definitely made my skin glow and stuff, but then what was the main issue, like the spots and darkness, it did not heal it. The first one is the Star, and this is like a product which saved my entire skincare game, and I don't know, I would purchase it. So this is from Foxtail, the Milky Way Rapid Spot Reduction Drops, and this is for 30 ml. I still have it lit very little, and it costed something 4.99 or 5.99 rupees, which is little costly, but definitely this helps like anything. It has a very milky white sort of a consistency, and you just need to apply where you have dots and then spread it. How I would really use it is I wash my face at night and then air dry it properly, and then I directly go onto this one and put it all over wherever I require. Now currently I'm having a problem with this thing, so definitely within a week or two it will get healed properly. So I would really like do spread this, not entire face but only at that point, and then let it dry for at least 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'll apply a moisturizer or a sunscreen, and then I'll sleep off and then wake up with good skin, you know. So this is the Star. Now I would not really use this like morning में भी makeup करने से पहले भी, no. If there are days when I don't need to shoot, there are days when I don't need to go out and stuff, so मैं नहाने के बाद भी इसे अप्लाई करती हूँ and सोने से पहले भी इसे अप्लाई करती हूँ. So sometimes it's once in a day and sometimes it is twice a day. Majorly it's once a day only. Now next serum is from Plum, and it's the Azelaic Acid Face Serum. Fights acne, dry and sensitive skin. This is really good for hydration. Like before makeup, I will swear this, because ये makeup को भी इतना ज़्यादा glowy, इतना ज़्यादा hydrating बना देता है. Like it feels like second skin almost. So this is really good for hydration, and I would say कि acne and pimples के लिए बोल रहा है. I will not say कि I saw a major difference because other products were also working at the same time, so I didn't get to like try it separately. But yeah, definitely it gives a lot of hydration and it glows. Like you see this glow, it's because of this serum. So I don't use it at night, I definitely use it daytime में ही, and before makeup I swear by this. If I'm going out also, still I'll use this one only because it doesn't contains vitamin C, and now if I'm exposing to sun and stuff, it will react if it has vitamin C, right? And yeah, so that's the case with this one. Now for moisturizers, I have a lot of options, but I will definitely tell you like what I used and when I used. So basically this moisturizer is really good. This is the vitamin C dot in Kika vitamin C moisturizer, but then again it doesn't sit well with my makeup game, so I use it in the days when I don't do anything and I know that it's a gloomy kind of day. I don't need to stick to my sunscreen, though I use a sunscreen definitely, but then I feel that on top of this, if I put sunscreen also, it doesn't save my skin a lot better. So yeah, that's a very very brutal review, I guess, but my preference would be these moisturizers. I swear by, see the halat of this moisturizer, it's almost gone only. This is the ceramide and vitamin C oil free moisturizer from Dr. Sheth, and it is really a good one because एक तो ये बिल्कुल ही ऑयल फ्री है, उसके ऊपर से बहुत अच्छे से absorb भी हो जाता है, and now under the makeup also it sits nicely, though it contains vitamin C. Now under the makeup, the moisturizer I use is this Aqualogica ka, because it has really all the good thing which you need to be in your moisturizer. It's really damn affordable. उसके ऊपर से ये बहुत अच्छे से मेकअप के अंदर सिट करता है, ये पील ऑफ नहीं करता है. There's a lot of moisturizers I own and it really peels off before applying the makeup only. So yeah, there are a lot of, but इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट अगर वो मेरे लिए पील हो रहा है तो वो आपके लिए भी होगा. सेम मॉइस्चराइजर इफ़ माई मॉम यूज, शी लव्स इट, वो नहीं पील होता है, वो बहुत अच्छे से सेट होता है एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. बट या फॉर माई प्रेफरेंस आई वुड रियली लाइक दिस, एंड दिस द पॉन्ड्स का अल्ट्रा लाइट जेल मॉइस्चराइजर. ये इसके बारे में तो कुछ भी ख़राब बोल ही नहीं सकते. इट्स दैट OG मस्कारा बोला क्या मैंने? It's that OG moisturizer. Definitely it feels very very hydrating and cool. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you do so, then please do like, share, subscribe. All the products will be linked down in the description box. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys very very soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye. Hare Krishna.